In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete messages on Instagram. This is going to be extremely easy and this will only take a few seconds. So what you need to do, you need to open Instagram on your phone and you want to go to your DMs. So let me do that right now. And then right there, you actually want to click on the message that you want to delete. So I'm just going to click on one of these. Let me just click, let's see. Let me just click right there. So right there, I actually said I will keep you updated, but if you want to delete a message, you can simply hold the message and then you can click on unsend message. So if you do that, you can click on unsend and there you go. That's exactly how you can do this. Now you can then do that with all of these messages right there. You can also click unsend message again. You can keep doing this and that's exactly how you can actually unsend Instagram messages on your phone. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like and comment down below that this actually works. I would appreciate that and that would help this video out in the YouTube algorithm. So make sure you go do that and then I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.